is up, everybody? Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, welcome. My name is Adaora, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how I revive my wigs. So, y'all been new to this, but I'm in college. College is expensive, and college kids be broke. So, I obviously don't have time to be buying hair all the time. So, I definitely have to reuse old hair. But the first thing I do to revive my wigs is I put water in it, to make it like not dry. And then I use the ISO Plus shampoo and conditioner, and I just wash my hair with it. I'm pretty sure I got it from the beauty supply store for like $6, $7, or $8, but it was really cheap, and it gets the job done. I like to focus the shampoo on the frontal section first, and then I wash like the hair. I focus on the frontal first just to make sure that like there's no glue on it and that everything is nice and clean, and then I just coat the strands accordingly. Okay, so once I finish with the shampoo, I go ahead and take the Tresemme conditioner and just to add some moisture back to the hair. I just like to massage it and then just wash it out after. For this particular one, I don't let it sit in for that long because I haven't really gotten to the secret formula to get the wigs to bounce back. Sister, okay, so next I use this magical silicone mix, right? You can find it at the beauty supply store. It comes in like different sizes, but I don't know what kind of crack they put in this junk, but girl, let me tell you, get your wigs looking right. Oh god. And it also has like a smell to it. It's kind of like perfumey, so if you're into that, that's cool, because it definitely lasts in your hair for a couple of days. So I basically take a glob of that in my hands and I start working it into the hair, and I coat all the strands because I really want the silicone to be all up in my hair, because like whatever crack they put in it is the secret ingredient to make your hair do what it needs to do. I like to rub it on my frontal lace and the hair because I want my whole shit to bounce back. After I rub the magic into my hair, I just put it in a bag and let it sit for like 30 minutes just to really penetrate like the shafts of my hair. And then after I do that, I just wash it out. Okay, so moving on to styling it. All I do is just blow dry my hair with a blush and a blow dryer. I'm pretty sure I got my blow dryer from Ross, and it's worked really well for me since. It's been like 4 years old, so yeah. After I blow dry my hair, I go ahead and literally drench my hair in BioSilk. Again, this product is the truth, but it's a little pricey. It's like $12 from, I want to say, TJ Maxx, which is low-key out of my price point, but whatever. But yeah, I love this stuff. So I put it in my hair, and then I start to flat iron my hair into sections. And I really like to take my time with this just because I need my hair to be bone straight. So yeah, I just do this to get my hair flaky as fuck. But yeah, so now my hair is bouncy and fluffy and soft. I didn't have to buy new hair. So now I'm pretty sure you're just gonna see me installing my hair. It's supposed to be glueless. Well, that was how I intended to make it, but it didn't really work out like that. Um, I'll make a better video of how I install my wigs like properly, but this specific wig, I literally just like plop it on my head and make sure the lace isn't like folded in my scalp. But yeah, that's kind of all I do. So yeah, now my hair is back to normal. It is finessed. I'm pretty sure this is the end of the video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Make sure you like, comment, and subscribe, and I will catch you in the next one. Bye, y'all.